Welcome. In this guide, you'll learn how to use AI-powered tools to create high-quality video tutorials quickly. This is a demo guide and feel free to play with it. To get started, tap on the Video Script Creator in the left navigation bar. It may take up to a minute to generate the script, so please be patient. Before generating script, finish this demo guide first. We will walk you through editing steps. You can upload and edit images directly within your video tutorials. Just use the image editor, whether you want to draw, blur, or crop an image, or just adjust its position and size. These tools give you full control. The mobile image that you see here was uploaded and edited via the image editor tool. In addition to editing your images, you can also manage your slides effortlessly. You can add, delete, or copy slides as needed, making it easier to build and organize your tutorial content efficiently. Use the control in the header to add, delete, copy, or save. Remember to save your work as we do not autosave. Now that your slides are ready, you can customize the design by editing the background, fonts, and footer. Use the icons in the left navigation bar to personalize the look of your video tutorial and make it uniquely yours. When you're ready to publish, click the Publish Video icon from the left navigation. We will create videos in multiple formats like landscape, portrait, and even 1-minute shorts for you. Before you publish, take your time to review content and listen to all audio that AI has generated. Remember that audio is the most important part of the video. Audio is the single most important element of your video. Great audio keeps your viewers engaged and improves the quality of your content. You can record your own voice for a personal touch or use AI-generated voices for convenience. We even offer premium AI voices for a more professional sound. Note that we offer editing via text editor or markdown editor. If you understand markdown syntax, you can edit via the markdown editor. This slide explores the different heading levels available in the markdown. Proper use of headings helps to structure your content, making it easier to follow and more professional. Try to organize your tutorials using headings. Did you get scared with the markdown code editor? Don't worry, we have an easy-to-use text editor. To edit text, just open the text editor via the icon as shown. Try to organize your ideas with the unordered lists or bullets. You can even add sub-bullets. Ordered lists are great for step-by-step instructions or ranking items. They ensure your viewers follow a specific sequence. Using text styles like bold and italic can help emphasize key messages in your content. Block quotes allow you to highlight important insights or quotes. Simply use text editor and edit as needed. In this slide, you'll learn how to elevate your tutorials using LaTeX for mathematical formulas, emojis for a fun touch, and multiple languages to make your content more inclusive. Feel free to show your math skills using LaTeX. This slide focuses on paragraph formatting and how to combine different text styles, such as bold, italic, and code snippets to enhance your written content. Note code style. Learn how these styles can improve your video scripts. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful. Please try creating your first video. You can email us if you're running into issues. Paid customers can even call us. Thank you for trying. Now let's create your first video. Simply click on the Video Script Generator. Answer a few questions, and let's get going.